Hey guys, welcome to the Investuber. This is the second video in the swing trading series which I had started. The last video was of Titan, and if you haven't watched it till now, please go and watch, and you would see that I got an easy 15% profit. It just escalated from around 848 rupees to around 975 where I booked my profits, and we all gained. The viewers who were watched as well as the people who I had suggested, they had gained a great profit of 15%. So this is the second video in this series, and I hope you will be getting almost similar kind of profits and even more than that in this. So please stay tuned and watch the full video. Here I'll be talking about one of the best IT companies over here, that is INFOSYS, also called as Infi. And based upon the few days of research which I did and the following which I was doing for this, I feel that it is a potential one for swing trading. And here I think it's good to give a target of around 2 weeks. 2 weeks would be a good thing because I think the target will be reached in 2 weeks and we'll be able to book the profits. So here you can see the chart of Infosys, or Infi as it is called, and the website is tradingview.com. You would be well aware of it, and here I have taken a 1 day time frame. So now the first step what I do before starting any kind of research, what I do is, if you have seen my previous video, you would be knowing what I do. I will zoom it out a bit and I'll be drawing a few resistance and support pattern, and I wouldn't be doing a very deep analysis, just a rough lines I'll be drawing. I'll just show you how to do it. See, this is the candle, and this is a pattern which is showing from almost March till June. So now what I'll do is I'll just zoom it out a bit, and then wherever I can I'll just draw a few lines. So see here, so I'll just zoom out. Maybe what I can do is I can take it for a 1 year view. Okay, so this is a 1 year view, and now wherever you can see a resistance or a support pattern, you just draw it. Okay, so where I'll just take my horizontal line and see now where I can see. Okay, you can say that this is a good way to put a line. Why? Because here there was a resistance. Okay, here there was a support, and when you go back also, you can see it was a support. It was a support for most of the time. So maybe this reason around here, this can be a good one. Okay, nothing is accurate, it's all a rough estimate. So this is the first line. Next, where can you see? Just see for it, maybe by around, I think I can draw one here. Okay, and the reason why I say it is, you can again see it. I think I can do it. Here there was a breakdown, here there was a resistance. All right, here you can see there was a support, here all there was a resistance. It's crossing the candles, but it is all right because we will be giving more concentration towards the closer ones. All right, so now I have drawn my two lines. I think that would be enough for this research. All right, now I'll just zoom in to the current market range for few weeks back, or 2 to 3 months back. All right, so if you can see this great fall, it was nothing wrong with the company. It was only the coronavirus fear. You would have seen that it went into a bearish mode. The market itself went into a bearish mode, and that was the reason for this fall. And once it and you can see here there was a good recovery stage, and from here it started moving upwards. All right, so here what in this particular video, for this particular stock, I won't be using any kind of indicators, but I'll be using only the trend lines. Now when you see it, if you have been investing for quite some time or trading and for technical analysis, you would know that this is a very good pattern for triangle formation. You can see that it is making a triangle pattern very nicely. Here there is a straight line, there's no need to alter this, but here you can see that it is going on upwards, and it's about to touch this line, and you can see that it's not crossing this. Maybe there's a slight straight line here, so we'll just draw that straight line. Hold on, and now we can just look at this pattern, and you can see that there is an invisible pattern which is here, and it is a triangle formation. So if you draw a trend line, you can just see that it might just go ahead and touch this. So this and this, it's a triangle formation, and this is a possible breakout. In such kind of a formation, there is always a possibility of a breakout or a breakdown. And in this, due to the current market scenario, I feel that there will be a breakout. Let me just draw that trend line as well to show you the triangle pattern. So start from here and maybe just draw till here. Yes, just here. Okay. Just adjust it a bit. Maybe we can change the color so that it can look, maybe we can make it red. That will be okay. Yeah. So here you can see. Now it has formed a very, very nice and beautiful triangle formation, triangle pattern. If you can see this, here there is almost a resistance line. Here the support had broken, and here again it touched our resistance, and you know that if it touches here and now it is completely narrowing down, and from here it can make a breakout. So I feel that in the upcoming days, within 2 to 3 days, you might definitely see a breakout or a breakdown, and I feel that there's a lot of possibility of a breakout here. So from here it might just jump, and once it closes any one of the day, when it closes above this line, then you can see a clear upwards. So that is a very straightforward prediction, and it has been followed by many of the regular traders as well. So I feel that it is a good path. So now we have seen this triangular pattern. Let us just find a proper entry and an exit point or a price. So as I told you, here there might be a breakout which is expected, and as soon as it ends, as soon as on that day the candle ends or closes above this trend line, you got to take an entry. So that just assume that you take an entry over here. All right. And here again, you see here, you can see that this point is a point of resistance. So let's not play a lot with it. Let us keep our target exactly on the line, and let us reduce our stop loss till here. Okay, so this gives you a very good idea about your entry and an exit point. So you can see with this tool we have created a proper target price and an entry price, a target price, and also the stop loss. So the target comes to around 765, which is exactly this line. Your entry can be below this. Your entry is around 722, and your stop loss is 699.5. Okay, so with this you can get an easy profit of 6% with very minimum risk, because if there is a breakout, if you see, then there's no stopping it. So this is only a safe side I have given. You can even keep a slightly higher target as well also. So it is completely up to you. So by using this kind of a strategy, these formulations, you can definitely gain a profit of around 6%, because a triangle formation always shows a breakout or a breakdown, and in this pattern it is most probably a breakout. So as soon as it crosses that 720 around mark, it will definitely go up and there won't be any stopping. But just for the safe side, to do some profit bookings, I have kept the target at around 765. So by following this, you'll be getting good profits. See, all this suggestion, all these calls which I'm giving is completely free. So give it a try and just check whether it interests you or not. If it is giving you profits, please stay tuned to the channel, and I'll be uploading more, and let us all gain profits together. Thanks for watching this video. If you skipped the old video of Titan, please go and see that, and please check this strategy which I used there and how I got 16% profit. Here I have given a call of around 6% only. There also I had given around 10%, but this strategy worked really well, and it gave me around 16%. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel so that all of us can get benefited from it. Enjoy the profits. See you soon.